Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to verify your account on Coinbase. And we just created our account, and then after that you will see this screen right here. So from now we click here on I agree Coinbase Luxembourg SA can fulfill my trades outside the trading platform. So now we click here on submit, and then right now we click here on no. And then from now we need to select here our citizenship, then the city of birth. This is the city of birth. Then we do submit again. And then right now they need our personal details. So we will do this real quick. And then right now we need to enter our passport number. So we will do this real quick. Then right now we need to give them answers for what will you use, what is your source of funds, and what's your primary employment status. So we will do this real quick. Then right now also give answer to these questions. And then right now everything about us is fine. So now the last step that we need to do is verify your identity. So we will do this real quick. So then right now we click on driver license. And then right now we need to give them a picture of ourselves with our face cam. So be right back. So right now the last step that we need to do is we need to verify our ID, and we click now on verify your ID. Then we click on driver license, then upload right here your ID. Then right now we need to take a selfie, but I'm using my camera right here on OBS, so be right back. So right now we just sent them a selfie, and now he is saying verifying your identity. This should only take a minute. So now we will wait until it's done. All right, and now we are set. So that means that our account is verified. So now if you click on continue, so right now we just need to give them some tax information. So we will do this real quick. We did also the tax, and right now we are here on our account. We just need to verify our email address. That is the last step right there. So we will do this real quick. And then after that, our account got verified. So this is how you can verify your Coinbase account. Hopefully this was the video where I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.